Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Structure Design Experts. Today our topic is how to collect data from ACE 17. So this is the table 11.4-1 site coefficient FU. So it is the site class which is C here in our area. You can select according to your area local zone. So it is equal to or more than 1.2. It means that up to 2 seconds or more than 2 seconds x is 1. So it is the site coefficient targeted maximum considered earthquake special response acceleration parameter in short period, and the second is long period. So you can see here is the risk targeted maximum in parameter in 1 second. So it is in C, it is 1.3. so we here enter the value 1 in 1.3. so 1 multiplied by 1.3 is the site coefficient Fy is equal to 1.10. if it is 1, so this is the calculations of 1 second short period in long period multiplied by each other, so it will be the site coefficient Fy. So it is 1.3. so this one is multiplied by 1.3. basically it is already calculated by the ATM. So now let's see the eccentricity is 0.05. it is diaphragm. So response modification R is 8. so we will see that from here we collect this one, and system over strength omega 3, and this one from here. This is the table ACA 17. you can see page number is 11111. so it is here mapped no we'll search it that we will also check the ordinary composite beam, concrete beam. so it is we will check here in this table special reinforcement concrete frames, this one. so we will select this one. this is our special reinforcement concrete moment frame. so it is the response modification is 8, and which is R, and over strength factor is 3, and deflection amplification factor is 5.5. so now we should to enter the value of AC 17, which is already present here. so 8, 3, 5.5, and occupancy importance is 1. so it is we say that it's okay. so basically eccentricity, so the above chart is this was the x direction and that is the y direction. for both the direction you can use the same. so basically eccentricity for the beam, columns and slab we should to consider when the building size is more than G+4 or more above. so therefore if the G+1 there is no need for eccentricity to enter the correct value. it is considered by the ATM which is 1. it is okay. so now check where is the eccentricity we should to enter. so let's modify and show the property. no so here is the torsional moment of inertia is 0.75 and moment of inertia in x is 0.35. So if the building your is tall building, you should to enter the moment of inertia as well torsional. So because here is the moment of inertia must be taken into account if your building is G plus 4 or above. For G plus 1 ATF calculate as 1 is okay, so no problem. It is up to 3, there is not complication. So therefore you should to enter the value if your building is more than G plus 1 G plus 4. So it is the easy way to understand that where we should to enter the moment of inertia. Then press OK. So it is the sample. I hope that you will understand it. That the column this is the moment of inertia following from the AC17. We collected this information from AC17. So here I wrote AC17. Column is 0.070 minimum and maximum 1.04 maximum. Beam 0.35 minimum and 1.04 maximum. And flat slab 0.025 and maximum is So if you like this video, if you understand, please like our channel, subscribe our channel and like the video as well. Thank you.